The HDi FG XR6 Battery Relocation Kit is designed for highly modified FG XR6 to adopt the HDi Larger Flow Cold Air Intake Kit. HDi FG XR6 Battery Relocation Kit is strong, rust-resistant, yet very lightweight. The kit also comes with CNC machined T6061 billet battery mounting bracket. Works perfect with the factory standard battery. It comes with high current, high quality battery cables. Check out our package deal. For more information, please visit fgpower.com. HDi Design, Test and Manufacture.